Welcome. If you're looking to update your relationship status and let everyone know you're single on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make yourself single on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Give that a click. Now, you'll be taken straight to your profile page. Take a look at the menu options just below your cover photo and find the one labeled About. Click on About to access your personal information. On the left side, you'll see a list of sections. Scroll down and find the section called Family and Relationships. Click on that to open up your relationship details. Here's where you can add or change your relationship status. Look for the option that says Add a Relationship Status. Click on it, and a new window will pop up with several relationship options. From the drop-down menu, select Single. This is the status that will let your friends and followers know you're not currently in a relationship. Once you've chosen Single, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom of the window. And that's it. Your Facebook page will now show that you're single, and your friends will be able to see your updated relationship status on your profile. Remember, you can always come back and change your relationship status anytime you want. Whether you're updating it for a fresh start or just want to keep your profile current, these steps will help you do it quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next video.